In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat flow in Hubspot. If you've been looking to enhance customer interaction on your website or just want to streamline how you manage your conversations, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each part together, ensuring the process is as simple and seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. You can do this on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll spot the login button. Give that a click. If you use Google services, you're in luck. Hubspot offers a sign in with Google feature. Click on it and select the Google account you wish to associate with Hubspot. This makes the process quick and leverages your existing Google setup. All right, now that you're signed in, let's navigate to the service section of your Hubspot dashboard. Look for the Chat Flows option in the menu. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it, and once the new page loads, find the Create Chat Flow button. Clicking this will take you to the creation process where you can set up your new chat service. Now you'll see multiple options for your new chat flows placement. For our purposes, click on Website so we can configure it to appear directly on your web page. After selecting this option, go ahead and hit the Next button to proceed. Next, it's time to select the type of chat flow you wish to create. The Live Agent option is excellent if you want real-time interaction with visitors. Choose this, then click Next once more. You're doing great so far. Now for the fun part, bring your chat flow to life by clicking on the Create button. Here's where you can start setting up the specific messages that will greet and interact with your visitors. Writing a warm and concise welcome message can make all the difference. So take your time crafting a message that reflects your brand's tone and style. To give your chat a personal touch, you can also choose a chat avatar. This visual element can be an engaging way to let users feel they're interacting with a real person or persona. Once your chat flow is configured with messages and an avatar, it's time to fine-tune a few other aspects. Configure the chat's display behavior to ensure it appears and functions according to your preferences and website's needs. Before you finalize everything, it's always a good idea to preview your chat flow. You can do this by clicking on the preview option located at the top right corner of your screen. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Restart to ensure all settings are saved and your chat flow is up and running. And there it is. Your HubSpot chat flow is ready to engage with website visitors. With these steps, you'll be able to create a functional and inviting chat system in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.